If you struggle with dry skin, you know how frustrating it can be to find a lotion that works. You want something that hydrates, soothes, and keeps your skin soft all day. Today, we're reviewing 5 of the best body lotions for dry skin. From intensive moisture to lightweight hydration, these lotions are designed to target even the driest skin. Let's dive into the details so you can choose the perfect lotion for your skin type. Kicking off our list at number 1, Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. The Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is designed for those with extremely dry skin. This clinically proven formula offers intense moisture and helps restore the skin's natural barrier. Packed with ceramides and other beneficial ingredients, it's made to deeply hydrate and improve skin texture, providing long-lasting relief for dry, rough skin. Key features: Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is free of fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Its formula contains a blend of ceramides, natural moisturizers, and urea, which work together to not only hydrate but also repair and strengthen the skin's barrier. Additionally, it offers up to 48 hours of hydration, ensuring that your skin stays nourished for a long time. Benefits and usage: this lotion is great for tackling dry, flaky skin, especially in areas like elbows, knees, and feet. Apply generously after showering to lock in moisture and repair dry spots. The non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft without a heavy residue. If you suffer from rough patches or eczema-prone skin, this lotion can be a great addition to your skincare routine. Usability: Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is easy to apply, with a smooth, fast-absorbing texture. Its thick formula is perfect for people who need extra hydration, yet it doesn't leave skin feeling oily. You'll notice a difference with regular use, and it's suitable for daily application to maintain healthy skin. Durability: the hydration provided by this lotion lasts for up to 48 hours, making it an excellent option for all-day moisture. The addition of urea helps retain moisture within the skin, and its gentle ingredients ensure your skin is left feeling smooth and nourished throughout the day. You won't have to reapply frequently, which is a major bonus. In the second spot, we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Neutrogena Hydro Boost is a lightweight, water-based body lotion that's specifically formulated to provide instant hydration and lock-in moisture. This fast-absorbing lotion uses hyaluronic acid, a powerful ingredient that helps retain skin moisture. It's perfect for those with dry skin who want hydration without the heavy feel of traditional lotions. Key features: one of the standout features of Neutrogena Hydro Boost is its use of hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This allows the lotion to offer deep hydration while maintaining a non-greasy, smooth finish. The formula is also oil-free, so it won't clog pores or leave skin feeling sticky. Benefits and usage: this body lotion is ideal for those with dry, parched skin looking for a quick, refreshing moisture boost. It's easy to apply, and its lightweight texture makes it suitable for all skin types, including those prone to oiliness. Use it daily, especially after a shower or bath, to keep your skin hydrated and glowing throughout the day. Usability: Neutrogena Hydro Boost absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any residue, making it perfect for those who don't have time to wait for their lotion to dry. It's great for applying right before getting dressed, as it doesn't interfere with clothes or bedding. The lightweight formula is ideal for those who want hydration without a heavy, greasy finish. Durability: the unique formula of this lotion provides continuous hydration that lasts all day. Thanks to the hyaluronic acid, your skin feels moisturized for hours without needing frequent reapplication. It's a great choice for those who need quick relief and long-lasting moisture, but don't want a heavy cream weighing them down. Coming in at number 3 is the Lubriderm Daily Moisture. Lubriderm Daily Moisture is a tried-and-true option for those seeking gentle, yet effective hydration. This lotion is dermatologist tested and designed to restore moisture to dry skin without irritation. With a formula that's enriched with vitamin B5 and other nourishing ingredients, Lubriderm works to hydrate and soothe your skin daily. Key features: the Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion contains vitamin B5, which is known for its skin-soothing properties. It also has a light, non-greasy texture that allows it to absorb quickly. The formula is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and dermatologist-approved, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage. Lubriderm Daily Moisture is perfect for those who want something gentle yet hydrating for daily use. Apply it after showering or washing your hands to keep skin smooth and soft. It's an excellent option for people who need consistent moisture but don't want a heavy lotion weighing them down. You'll notice that your skin feels softer and more supple after consistent use. Usability. This lotion is easy to apply and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin who may react to more fragrant or heavy lotions. Use it daily, and you'll see a noticeable difference in the softness and smoothness of your skin. Durability. Lubriderm Daily Moisture provides long-lasting hydration and is designed for daily use. While it may not be as heavy-duty as some other lotions, it offers a reliable solution for keeping skin moisturized throughout the day. If you're looking for a lightweight, daily moisturizer, this one will get the job done. Taking our fourth spot is Jergens Ultra Healing. Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion is a rich, fast-absorbing formula designed to nourish and heal extremely dry, rough skin. Packed with vitamin C, E, and B5, it provides deep hydration while promoting skin repair. This lotion is ideal for skin that's in need of a little extra TLC, offering both immediate relief and long-term benefits. Key features. The formula of Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion contains a blend of essential vitamins that work together to promote skin healing. With ingredients like vitamin E and glycerin, it effectively hydrates and softens even the driest areas. This lotion is also designed to improve skin's appearance over time, leaving it feeling smoother and more supple with every use. Benefits and usage. Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion is perfect for extremely dry skin, especially during harsh weather conditions. Apply it generously to dry areas like elbows, knees, and hands to restore hydration and promote healing. It's especially effective for skin that feels tight or rough, as it provides immediate relief and continues to improve skin texture over time. Usability. The lotion has a thicker consistency, making it ideal for treating dry skin spots that need extra attention. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy feeling behind, so it's easy to apply and continue with your day. The subtle fragrance is light and doesn't overpower, which is great for those sensitive to strong scents. Durability. Jergens Ultra Healing provides long-lasting moisture, with hydration that lasts for hours. It works especially well for those with rough patches of skin or for anyone looking to restore smoothness to dry, damaged areas. With continued use, you'll see improvements in your skin's texture and appearance, helping it stay soft and hydrated. And finally, at number 5, we have Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula is a luxurious, rich lotion known for its intense moisturizing properties. It's made with 100% pure cocoa butter and enriched with vitamin E, which works together to restore moisture, improve skin elasticity, and help reduce the appearance of scars or stretch marks. This lotion is a go-to for anyone looking for deep hydration. Key features. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula is packed with nourishing ingredients, including pure cocoa butter, vitamin E, and collagen. These ingredients help to deeply hydrate the skin while improving its texture. The formula is known for being especially effective at targeting stubborn dry spots, leaving the skin feeling nourished and deeply moisturized. Benefits and usage. This lotion is perfect for those looking to treat excessively dry skin, especially on areas like elbows, knees, and heels. The thick formula helps improve the elasticity of the skin, which can be especially useful for people with stretch marks or scars. Apply it generously to any dry spots and massage it in for a silky smooth finish. Usability. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula has a rich, creamy texture that glides smoothly over the skin. It's perfect for people who need extra moisture and want to pamper their skin with a thick, nourishing lotion. While it's a bit heavier than other lotions, it's ideal for those with particularly dry or rough skin that needs deep hydration. Durability. The hydration from Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula lasts all day, leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized without needing constant reapplication. With regular use, your skin will not only feel smoother, but may also appear healthier and more even in tone. If you're looking for deep moisture and improved skin elasticity, this lotion is a great choice. So, whether you're dealing with severe dryness or just need a little extra moisture, these lotions are up to the task. Each product offers unique benefits for different skin needs, from fast absorption to long-lasting hydration. Be sure to choose the one that suits your skin type, and you'll be on your way to softer, healthier skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews.